How to fulfill orders with AliExpress. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can fulfill your Shopify store's orders using AliExpress. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you need to do is you need to create an account on AliExpress and also Shopify. And once you've done that, we are going to move on. Now, if you create an account on Shopify, you're going to get 3 days free, and then for 1 month, it's only going to cost you $1. So it's a good deal. Go ahead and check it out, try it, sign up. And once you've done that, you should be good to go. AliExpress, on the other hand, is free. You can easily create an account for free and there is no cost whatsoever. So once you've done that, you should be good to go. Now, I've already created an account, so I'm just simply going to go ahead and log in and we are going to show you how it's done. And once you've logged in, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. Now, what you need to do in order to go ahead and, fulfill your orders is you need to add products. So if you come over here onto the left-hand side, you will see you have all these options, right? Click on products, and here you will find all the products that you have added. So these are some of the other products that I've added beforehand. So I'm just simply going to go ahead and delete them, or we'll delete them so that we can go ahead and add other products and I can show you those products. So I'll actually go ahead and archive these products. Archiving products will hide them from your sales channel. Yeah, that's fine. We'll go ahead and archive them. So now we should have 0 products over here, and I'm going to show you how we can go ahead and import products from here and fulfill orders from AliExpress. All right, so now what we'll do is now we're going to come over here onto our dashboard, and then we want to go ahead and click on the apps over here. And we want to install an app. So what I'll do is I'll just simply click on all app recommendations and then click on Shopify App Store. And it's going to open up the App Store in another tab. And what we're going to do now is we're going to install an application that's going to help us with our AliExpress orders, right? We're going to use DSers. Now, DSers is a free application and it's pretty amazing. You can use it to import products from AliExpress and then you can sell it online. So it's completely free. So just simply come over here and search for DSers. And once you've found them, just simply install them. So this is the application right here called DSers AliExpress Dropshipping. All right, this is the one that we need. So we're going to click on it and we're going to install it. You can see it says free plan available. So it's free. And then we're going to simply install it. And I'm going to tell you later how much it would cost if you want to go ahead and, buy it. So let me just go ahead and log in. There we go. And all right, sorry about that. Something happened with my account, so I had to create another account, but we're going to continue on from there. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the application, go to the App Store, right? And we're going to search for DSers. This is the application right here. So we're going to go ahead and install the application into our store. There was an error in my previous store, which is why I created another one because I don't know, something happened. I just logged out from there, I guess. But yeah, you're just simply going to go ahead and install the application over here. Give it a couple of seconds to set everything up. And we're also going to log in into our AliExpress account at the same time. And over here, if you already have an account, they're going to tell you, are you sure you want to log in into the account that you're already logged into? If so, just simply click on yes. If not, you can click on I want to change my account, right? It depends on you. So I'm going to click on continue because it's right here. And creating an account on DSers is actually pretty simple. You just add your email address or sign up with Google. And here we go. So this is how it's going to look like right here. So let me just close that up. And here you can see all the products or the trending products that are currently trending on AliExpress, right? So this is a pretty cool product. I don't know what that is. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. So this is basically a ghillie suit, all right? For snipers, I suppose. This is how it looks like. Pretty cool. I guess we can go ahead and import it. And so yeah, let's go ahead and use this. Now there are a couple of ways that you can do this, right? The first way, all right, so this is the store. Let me just go ahead and close that up. It was fake. So there are a couple of ways to import products into your store. Either you can just simply import them over here from here within DSers, the products that are over here that are trending on AliExpress right now. Or if you find your own products on AliExpress, right? And all you got to do is just copy the link. So let's, for example, assume that this is the product that we just found, right? And we just simply copy the link over here from the top, come back over here, put the keywords over here, right? Paste the link over here and click on OK. Or you can even just simply go ahead and upload the image or just search for a keyword as well. And it's going to pop up over here. So actually, let me just go ahead and click on supplier optimization. This is a much better option because here, when you add the product link over here, it's going to go ahead and search for all the databases on AliExpress, and it's going to find all the similar products and give us a list. So here you can see all the products that had this image in them are available over here, and we can choose which one we want. The one I would recommend going with is either a higher number of sales and both reliability as well. So let's go ahead and switch over here. So you can see this person right here, this suit, this person is selling it $4.52 with over 1,000 sales, and his reliability is 4.7, which is really, really good. So this means that this is a really good product that we can use, right? This is a ghillie suit. And let's go ahead and open this up as well. I just want to see it. So this is how it looks like. This is like a whole ghillie suit, not just one. This is like a ghillie suit for your sniper. So you can import this, and this is the body ghillie suit right here that we want, that we need, or right. This one is, well, 134. It's not that great, but yeah, let me just go ahead and increase it over here. So there we go, like so. There's this one as well. This one has 83. I don't understand why 83 is so down here. Look over here. There we go. So this one is actually pretty good, but yeah, I would recommend go with this one, right? And then just simply select the product, right? Open it up in another tab, view everything, and see if you like it or not. And then when you like it, just simply click on add to import list right here on this button right here, and it'll tell you the product has been imported, right? I'll also import the sniper ghillie as well, just so that we have a whole set. And then we can go ahead and check it out or stay as well and import more products. So let's go ahead and check out the product in the product list. And here we go. So as you can see, these are the products right here. Now, in order to import them within your store, all you got to do is click on this button right here. So if you click on this button, it's going to pop up right here and tell you which store to choose, right? So I'm going to select the store. So this is the store that I want. And then down below, you can see the preferences, whether you want the pricing rules to be applied, continue selling when out of stock, publish it to your sales channels, right? So I'm going to select that, set the product status as draft, only push the product specifications, automatic inventory update, automatic price update, whatever you want, you can go ahead and do that. But yeah, once you've selected it, you can check out the product right here. You can see the cost, shipping, and everything. And you can also see some of the related products. And once that's done, just simply click on the push to inventory button at the bottom. Give it a couple of seconds and it should be good to go. It's going to be available onto your store. There you go. It's now done. You can see right here the progress bar, and there we go. As you can see, it's imported. We'll also import the other one, and then we'll go into our store and check it out. So it's loading up right here, and I'll just select the store. Everything looks good, and then we'll just simply click on push to store. And once that's done, come back over onto your store and go into your product section, right? And you will find it right here. So I accidentally, added it twice. So let me just delete the product if I can. This product can't be done. All right, so it's currently not important, but yeah, you can see right here, you have the products right here, and all that's left for you to do is just simply click on a product and then just change the name. So this is the grass type hunting rifle wrap, right? I'll just ghillie suits, and then I'll just release all of that. There we go. I think that looks good. We have our specifications, our media over here. We have the variant and the pricing as well. And once that's done, just simply click on the save button and you should be good to go. You can do the exact same thing with the other one because, these are pretty long titles. So I'll just say tactical ghillie suit. All right. And we'll just go ahead and remove the other ones. There we go. Click on save and we should be good to go. We also have other variants as well. So you can go ahead and change the name of it. But yeah, I think this looks good. And that's it. After that, you've already set them live. After that, you just simply got to set up your website and set up your domain and let your channel go live. And there you go, have it. That is how you do it. That is how you can fulfill orders with AliExpress on Shopify. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.